Hi everyone! I've decided to make this video on how I did Milani's hair in this hairstyle. If you want to see how I did it, just continue watching.
It's okay.
She never likes to get her hair done. It's always a struggle. Okay, so the first thing I do is get my water bottle spray and I just spray her hair with water all over just to get it saturated a little bit. And next, I'm just going to try to part her hair in a straight part down the middle. I always try to get it perfect, but with her moving around all the time, it never is truly perfect, but it'll do. And then I'm just parting another part in the middle, but like going towards her ear, because I'm trying to get those two braids in the front. And now I'm just taking a rubber band to just leave this part alone while I part the rest of her hair. And just do the same thing with the other side. Okay, now I'm just trying to finish parting it all the way down to the back. And this is how I'm going to get the two little buns in the back. Okay, now I'm just gonna spray this section with some more water. And I'm going to use my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Curling Cream. I just started using it and I love it so far. Okay, now I'm using Milani's detangle brush and I'm just gently combing out her curls from the ends to the root. And I'm holding her hair at the root so it doesn't pull at her hair too hard. And now I'm just taking a soft bristle brush to smooth it down. And I'm just using a regular elastic rubber band. And you don't want to pull the ponytail all the way through, you just want to leave it as a little bun. Actually, you can pull it all the way through too if you want. It's still cute that way too. Same process with this side, guys. Okay, now we're at the fun part. And we're going to do the same process that we did with the buns. Spray it with some water. She's actually doing really good, guys. Like, usually she really hates getting her hair done. Alright, I'm putting some of the curling cream on. Usually I use a toothbrush to do her edges, but I didn't have it with me at the moment, so I had to improvise, and she did not like it. Okay. As you can see, we're gonna have problems making these braids already. What you talking about, Milani? Alright, and once you braided it all the way down, just get a little rubber band and wrap it at the end. Her facial expressions are so funny. Oh, and don't mind me, I'm just trying to make her happy. Ignore my mommy voice. And that is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.